this chapter, we will focus on the topic, identification and authentication. Nowadays, many systems implement access controls using a two-phase process, identification and authentication. Identification means verify that an individual is a valid user. In other words, we want to know who the person is. Authentication means verify that the individual is the person he or she claims to be. Now, we will talk about 3 examples of implementing this two-phase process. First one is possessed objects. The ATM identify you when you insert your card. One problem is anyone could possibly hold your ATM card. Therefore, it need a PIN, which is a numeric password for authentication. Anyone can claim to be you, but the password is known by the real cardholder only. The second example is biometrics. Biometrics is a form of authenticate through a person's identity using a personal characteristic, such as fingerprint, iris, voice, and even face. So, compared to numeric password, what is the advantage of using biometrics? The advantages: the biometrics way of authentication is harder to copy or forget, since the password is part of the body. The third example is username and password with captcha. The hackers can use computer system to hack username and password. However, with the use of captcha, computer system is not able to solve it. CAPTCHA is short for completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart. There are 2 main types of CAPTCHA. One is display a series of distorted characters, and requires the user enter the characters correctly to continue using the website. The second type is by-pic CAPTCHA, that provides the user with an elementary choice of choosing the correct image that they are asked to identify. About the I am not a robot box, it check the movement of clicking it. If it is computer program, the movement will be straightforward. Today we have talked about identification and authentication. In the next video, we will introduce other potential risk.